In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect instantly with Huddles in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly are Huddles in Slack? Well, Huddles provide a quick and live way to communicate and collaborate with your colleagues. They serve as a convenient alternative to setting up separate meetings or calls, allowing for a more spontaneous and informal approach to collaboration. It's perfect when you just need to hash things out without all the hassle of scheduling. Now, let's get started with how to create your very own huddle. First, open your Slack app and navigate to the text conversation you're having with a colleague. This could be in a direct message or within a channel. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your chat window. You'll see a little headphones icon. Go ahead and click that icon. Voila! You've initiated a huddle. Now, as you're inside the huddle, you'll see that there are some great features available for you. For instance, if you want to turn your camera on, because sometimes it's easier to connect face-to-face, you simply click on the camera option in the huddle interface. This allows for a more personal interaction, and sometimes seeing a friendly face can make all the difference in teamwork. But it doesn't stop there. If you're working on something that requires visuals, maybe you need to show a presentation or walk through a project, you can share your screen. Sharing is easy. There's that option right in the huddle as well. Just click on Share Screen, select the window or application you want everyone to see, and you're all set. It's just like having a mini meeting right at your fingertips. Now, one of the best features of Huddles is the dedicated chat thread that runs concurrently with your live audio or video conversation. You can type notes and action items in this thread. This is particularly useful because anything you put in that chat thread will save directly into the main conversation history. This means that anyone who couldn't join in real time can still catch up on what was discussed later on. No more worrying about missing important details or trying to remember what was said. So, whether you need to solve a quick issue, brainstorm ideas, or just want to check in with your teammates, Huddles make it effortless. They allow for real-time discussions without the formality of a scheduled meeting. Plus, with the ability to share your screen and save notes, you have all the tools necessary to make your collaboration as efficient as possible. To wrap it up, remember that Huddles can transform how you communicate within Slack. With just a few clicks, you can connect instantly, streamline your teamwork, and keep everything organized through chat threads. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these tips helpful in enhancing your workflow in Slack. If you enjoyed this video and want more